Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the photo you want to fix. Once done, duplicate it so you keep an original. Open Edit, then Tools, and tap Magic Eraser. This is the entry point. You need a well-lit, high-resolution image because removal works best when edges are clear. Make sure you're on the latest app version, otherwise features may differ. Now, with the tool active, you'll see suggested removals and a brush icon. Next, choose whether to accept a suggestion or paint exactly what you want removed. Once you have the tool active, evaluate suggested removals, tap one to try it. If it looks good, accept it. For trickier items, switch to the brush and paint the object, or use a lasso for irregular shapes. Adjust brush size to match detail. Zoom in to check edges and prevent haloing. If the background is complex, paint slightly beyond the object. When the preview looks natural, press Apply. You'll see the result blend using nearby pixels. This is why clean backgrounds work best. You're almost done. Compare the before and after by toggling the preview, and use Undo to step back if something looks off. If you notice artifacts or unnatural patches, make smaller strokes or reattempt the removal on the duplicate copy. Sometimes 2 light passes beat 1 heavy erase. For stubborn backgrounds, use nearby healing by painting more context. Finally, export or save a copy. If anything goes wrong, revert to the original and try a more precise, patient approach. The duplicate saves you from total loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.